Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete all transactions on Spendee. So first, click on Spendee app to open it, and now once the app is opened, you can see your transactions right here in the timeline menu. So in order to delete them all, you will have to click on each one and then press this trash icon and then this delete button. Then click on the second one, press this trash icon and then delete button. Then click on third one, press this trash icon and then delete button. Now as you can see, I have deleted them all and I can add some right now. So thank you for watching. This is how you delete all transactions on Spendee. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. I hope they will add something like delete all transactions button or delete all for the day or something like that, because this is really annoying. Thank you. Bye.